A family reunion a year in the making. Georgia Kotsios and her 82-year-old mum finally meet face to face.
Very confronting for me. She had lost a lot of weight. It was very emotional, but she was so happy to see me.
Ms Kotsios is unvaccinated, a choice she says she made because of underlying health conditions. But it meant she couldn't step inside her mum's nursing home until last week, when New South Wales relaxed its public health orders. Any relief, though, was short-lived.
The facility's in lockdown, so I haven't seen mum again. It's been 8 days.
As of Friday, more than 1,000 nursing homes were locked down, battling COVID outbreaks, with more than 6,000 residents and 3,000 staff testing positive. The reason for the alarm? Of the 11,000 COVID deaths reported in Australia since the start of the pandemic, 3,200, or just under a third, have been aged care residents. So for a third winter in a row, the Defence Force is stepping up to help a sector in crisis. Up to 250 ADF personnel to be made available until the end of September.
This is an extreme measure, it's a desperate measure. Nobody wants our ADF troops deployed to aged care. They've got plenty of other important work to do.
We do welcome that extension. But as I said, 250 people is a drop in the ocean.
In opposition, Labor was scathing of COVID outbreaks in aged care.
We've got an aged care crisis in this country. We have older Australians who are locked in their rooms.
Now it's got a crisis on its watch.
Part of my job is getting us through this winter wave. Part of my job is turning the Queen Mary around and addressing these workforce shortages.
As the Minister acknowledges, fixing this troubled sector is going to take an enormous amount of time and money. Securing pay rises to attract more workers and having round-the-clock nursing in every aged care home are among the changes being promised. The government will take its first legislative steps when the 47th Parliament begins this week. Jane Norman, ABC News, Canberra.